If you are in need of a land surveyor in Noida, then look no further. A land surveyor plays a crucial role in various construction and development projects. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping out the land, ensuring that the boundaries are properly defined and that all necessary measurements are recorded. This information is then used by architects, engineers, and other professionals involved in the project to design and plan structures accordingly. By hiring a professional land surveyor in Noida, you can ensure that your project is based on accurate and reliable data. Noida, being a fast-growing city with rapid urbanization, requires the expertise of a land surveyor to keep up with its development. Whether you are planning to build a residential complex, commercial building, or infrastructure project, a land surveyor in Noida can provide the necessary services to meet your requirements. They have the knowledge and experience to handle different types of surveys, such as topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. With their expertise, they can help you make informed decisions and avoid any potential legal or construction-related issues. When it comes to land surveying in Noida, SCON Design is a trusted name in the industry. With years of experience and a team of qualified professionals, they have successfully completed numerous land surveying projects in the region. Their services include but are not limited to conducting accurate measurements, preparing detailed maps and reports, and providing expert advice on land-related matters. SCON Design understands the importance of precision and reliability in land surveying and ensures that their clients receive accurate and timely results. By hiring SCON Design as your land surveyor in Noida, you can rest assured that your project will be handled with utmost professionalism. Look no further if you require a land surveyor in Noida. In many building and development projects, a land surveyor is essential. They are in charge of precisely measuring and tracing the boundaries of the land, recording all relevant measures, and making sure that the data are accurate. Architects, engineers, and other project participants use this knowledge to build and plan structures properly. You can make sure that your project is founded on precise and trustworthy data by working with a competent land surveyor in Noida. Due to its quick urbanization and rapid growth, Noida needs the knowledge of a land surveyor to stay up with its development. A land surveyor in Noida can offer the necessary services to satisfy your needs, whether you're planning to build a residential complex, a commercial building, or an infrastructure project. They are knowledgeable and skilled in handling a variety of surveys, including topographic, boundary, and construction staking surveys. They can assist you in making knowledgeable selections and avert any potential legal or construction-related problems using their knowledge. SCON Design is a reputable name in the field of land surveying in Noida. They have performed various land surveying projects in the area with great success because to their many years of experience and team of skilled